Welcome. So today I'm going to unbox my foam roller. So you can find this is Amazon pack which I had brought from Amazon. I had purchased one of the foam rollers. So benefit of foam roller is that it helps in releasing your muscle tension. Yeah. You can do it before workout. It has to be done using of a foam roller has to be done before any kind of workout. I just open it for you and show you how a foam roller looks like. There are multiple foam rollers in the market. Out of it, I have purchased this one. I wanted a bigger size one because I need it for my muscles, yes. Especially my calf, both of my calf, they are mostly in tension. So I got it for my calf strength as well. Just to release that any kind of muscle tension. Yes, this is the one. So this is known, okay, I'll just show it to you. This is known as foam rollers. These have to be used carefully. Yeah, we use it could show it to you how I use it. I'll use it. Yes, it is literally soft. This is foam roller. So it has to be used before and after workout. Mostly before workout we use it to release any kind of tension, plus for the blood circulation. So it has shapes like this. These shapes are for the fingers, and this kind of shape is for the palm. Okay. So just to give a rough, wait, I'll show you below my calf. I'll do it. But I need to use both of it. So a pressure has to be generated. I'll show you properly how this workout is done, but yes. Yeah, my hamstring, I'm getting good stretch in my hamstring. Yeah. Yeah, we have to roll it. Oh. Getting good stretch here. So for the spine there is another roller which is known as a peanut roller. This one is used for the muscles. Okay, it's done like an exercise only, but it's just like part of it is like a stretch. Yes, part of it is like a stretch. Wait, sideways I'll do it. For the IT band, this is for the IT band. Initially, you may find some kind of pain or irritation while doing it. I'm used to it, so yes, both sides you can do it. So it will release all kind of tension in my IT band, if at all it is there. So it has to be done a little laterally. Yes, this way. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and this foam roller is literally very useful. You can use it on your back as well. Roll in. If at all, I'll show you exercises based on this foam roller later. Must have for those who work out. Bye.